Oh my God! Mercury drug! What the heck is wrong with you? How dare you use the baby Kate and baby crying sound effects in your sickness in your health video?
You know that sound is extreme annoying for people's health.
You just used the Hollywood Edge baby crying sound effect. Did you listen to me? No. You did not listen to me. And you just felt lazy. You use baby Kate crying sound effect and baby crying sound effect.
And look. This proves you are Baby Kids channel wannabe. And Big Time Rush wannabe. And Bubble Guppies wannabe. And Hula Wooly Animations wannabe. And Walk of Shiny wannabe. And Hunlam wannabe. And Hero Wars Collector wannabe. And Amit Qt wannabe. And Yo wannabe. And Ia and Zauk wannabe. And Pencil Emtron wannabe. And Tutu Boy wannabe. And Tony Godzilla fan wannabe. And Yumu Studio wannabe. And Loud House wannabe. And The Adventures of Napkin Man wannabe. And Lucy Precure wannabe. And Super Y wannabe. And Toon Hindi TV wannabe. And Alvin the Creator wannabe.
That's it, we're so done with you. And now, the Bluey and THX logo will jump scare you.
There. This is what you get for using the baby Kate and baby crying sound effect.
Man, I wish that sound should get eaten by the whale, and the whale have a tummy ache. End of call out.